there. Haven't seen you for a while. Yeah, I've been away, still making the videos. Yeah, but this will be the last of this year's videos probably. Of course, I will be lying about that, but I've been busy. I've been doing all kinds of nasty things with mostly music projects, etc. Plus, I must say that the darkness, I haven't had any good opportunities to film. You know, it's the how do you say, all the days you'll be working and then it gets dark and suddenly it's weekend and then you see that, god damn, the weather is bad as shit. No point of doing it. But hey, now we have loads of snow. Look at this snow. God damn. It's a huge amount of snow. Yeah. Beautiful. I was thinking that should I take my snow boots or not. I'm following some deer or animal tracks here and gonna do a little hike. Just relaxing, walking, enjoying. Woodpecker. Yep. Enjoying and trying to find the owl, of course, Ville, of course. Yeah. Probably will not find anything, but hey, get to try it sometime. Yeah, there was amazing, like you saw in the video, amazing mist on the fields, frost mist, things like that. And yeah, let's go. Let's see what we find. Probably nothing except loads of snow and loads of trees. Yeah. Onwards. and suddenly I'm no longer there in that place. I'm here. What just happened? Well, basic honkamies stuff. I recorded the whole rest of the video. That was rather interesting in some ways with high-speed mode. So when this camera records in high-speed mode, it doesn't record any sound and etc. stupid stuff. So here I am on our own backyard. Yeah. And I'm making a new ending for the video. Basically in the same vein as the video would have stopped there, because in the forest I found a bird feeding place. Yeah, some people have been feeding on that nature preservation area. They have huge feeding place there, loads of birds, and even the strange little bird with the hair that I haven't never ever seen before was there. That töyhtötiainen, it's something like this. Yeah, that was there. So it was my first meeting with that bird, and I just had an idea that, well, I can put it in the same video, that I can show you my feeding place, where we have actually 3 different bird feeding places around the ranch here. Yeah, and one is on the secluded spot behind there. I can see there are loads of birds. They are eating, and I will go and put this there. It's a feeding kind of stick. What the hell? Feeding cock. Yeah, huge feeding cock for the birds. It has seeds and fat and stuff like that. Then I have one camonet with me. Camonet is, basically I don't have a real hide. I have only, oh, there are fucking huge flock of birds. Yeah, I don't have a hide in such way that I'm gonna be inside somewhere. I'm gonna be under a tree. Yeah, I'm hiding under a tree, and this is part of the covering myself up and hiding there. Then I have some extra seats for the feeding machine. So now let's go there and let's disturb the birds, because they were gonna go fly away. Oh, there are so many. Punatulkku. What is punatulkku? Bonk. You have to learn these Finnish words for the birds, even though I don't know all the names. But anyway, now let's go and check out the place. Yeah, there is my hideout. There is also a chair, of course. I'm gonna put this camonet on top of that. I'm gonna be hiding inside the tree. Yeah, let's do it. My hands are all nasty. Oh shit. Perfect. And we're gonna be shooting from here the birds that are gonna be sitting around, not shitting around. Well, they do shit like animals that they are. Yes. Now let's climb into the photo place. So this is my view. They're gonna be getting food from there and sitting all around me in the trees, and I will be just taking some photos. But yeah, this place doesn't have so beautiful or let's say beautiful, all the birds are beautiful, but special birds probably like the one that isn't deep in the forest, because there isn't old forest right around here and some birds just don't live here. So yeah, we go what we have. Let's have fun and let's see how things go, and check out the pictures at the end. This is actually a funny video. This is my first video of 2023, as it should be last video of 2022. But anyway, things got twisted. Yeah, there's also video of all my good photos of 2022. Check it out. Relax, sit back, take a beer, drink it, listen to the music, just relax and enjoy the trip into the dark and wild forests. Yeah, like they should be, but they aren't. Birds are coming. I will now sit around probably 1 hour here, take some shots, check out the pictures at the end, what I have achieved here. Thank you for joining in. Catch you on the next one, or on the flip side.